Alright, so now you're going to assemble the rail, and it's important to note these go in a certain way. That's the wrong way. When you see a gap right there, if it goes like this, flip it over till it's nice and flat. So we're going to go ahead and install that nut and bolt right here. Make sure if you have any different accessories for these rails, you might want to install them now, because the ones I have, you had to slide them on first and then put the end caps on. You can do the final adjustments once you're in the Bronco, but just get them on there first. And this is your double-sided tape right here. You're going to put these on the feet of the end brackets right here. And it is angled, so you know where to go with it. You're going to put the rubber on there. Just like that. Just tighten that up. You do the same for the other side. Put the end cap right there and just nut and bolt. The kit also came with these adhesive pads, and what you do with them is you just peel up one side and it goes on the bottom of that rubber. I'm just going to trim it to size. And do the same for this side as well. Alright, if you don't have any of your own accessories, they do come with these. And you just loosen up the wing nut, slide it on there, and tighten it on. This is adjustable as well. Very simple. You just loosen it, adjust it to how you want it, tighten it. It also comes with these ball accessories as well. They just screw right on top of there. Now it's time to install this on the Bronco. So now the double-sided tape. You're gonna peel both sides. And it would be a good idea to wipe down this spot with like rubbing alcohol and that spot as well. I already did that. Place that right there. Just take the bolt. Goes right into that accessory ready part right there. Let's tighten that down. You just make sure those are still in place. I think it looks great. What I love about this is these quick release attachments. I've never seen these before. It's great quality, it's metal, sturdy, and you could add your own accessories on there.